Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off iCloud music library in iTunes. Let's start. So you don't really need to go to iTunes to have this managed or to have this set up. Basically, your iTunes is hinged to your Apple Music or to your iCloud music library, especially if you set it up wherein all of your downloads would then have to be connected or uploaded in iCloud right away. There's a way for you to do that in your iPhone. iPhone, I'd say, are very intelligent devices that everything is connected, everything is hinged, just for convenience. That's why people, or let's say iPhone users, would prefer this device is because of its feature that it's very convenient. Everything is just connected. So how you're going to turn off your iCloud music library? Just very simple, guys. Just go to settings and then look for music. Once you have your music, you can just show Apple Music. Just toggle that. And then that's it. You basically turn off your iCloud music library. However, guys, it may be a different version. Say, for instance, if you're not able to update your iOS yet, or if using a different device, or maybe in your iPad, it would actually have a different view. But in this case, all you need to do is just go to settings and then just disable, show Apple Music, and that's it. Pretty simple, right? So I hope you learned something today. Please stay tuned for more videos in iTunes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.